Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all what happened. I'm doing fried green tomatoes today, and I was recording with the other camera, but it said that the memory card was full. So I'm gonna have to do this over on my phone, okay? So I already have the first batch of fried green tomatoes cooking, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I season this with a little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna go over this real quick. Onion powder, salt and pepper on both sides, okay? Then you want to flour, a little bit of egg, flip it on both sides, and dip it in your cornmeal, coat that really, really good, and put it in your hot grease. I have Leroy very hot and ready to go, and for those of you that are just now tuning in and new subscribers, my cast iron skillet is named Leroy. We named it Leroy. Okay, so again, flour, egg, and cornmeal. And I have my heat, my grease to about 6. And these fried green tomatoes are so good. I think I said tomatoes. That's what my grandpa used to say. Yep, get you some old maters, babe. Tomatoes. If y'all didn't know, East Texas is where I stay. Without those of you that know Houston rappers. East Texas. I'm sure you guys can tell by my accent. I get that a lot. You know, people that are from the north or not from the south or whatever, but they'll say, oh, are you from the south or are you from Texas? Yep. Texas, baby, born and raised. Good old country girl. Okay. So get that coated real good. Place it in your grease. And this is the second batch. Like I said, I apologize, you guys. Camera messed up. I guess my hubby didn't make sure it was empty. I need to get some more memory cards anyway, so it's okay. This is phone ringing. Okay, so just cook these on each side for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Flip those until they're golden brown. They smell so good. These are really good with fried chicken too. Very good with fried chicken. They're good with any meal, to be honest. So I just added some more egg to this because I'm getting low. Like I said, because I've already started a batch. And then the camera got full, the memory card, so. Okay. I'll wait till that's done. Fry it up really good. And you can see the first batch here. So good. Fried green tomatoes. Okay. So we're gonna put another batch of tomatoes in here. The egg. Cornmeal. And in the grease. So you got your flour. Your egg. And your cornmeal. right, y'all. So the fried green tomatoes are ready. And I'm just waiting on these pork steaks to come off the grill so I can eat those with it. But they look good. As you can see, golden brown. And they aren't the prettiest, but hey, the fried green tomatoes. And they are very tasty. I want to thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time on What We Eat.